Alrighty, hello YouTube, welcome back. Today's video we are jumping into our seats, or the seat upholstery. So before we do so, I want to say thank you so much to Abby over at Flightline Interiors. If you're building a Vans RV-10, consider them for your seat upholstery and interior options. We also do have a carpet on order from them. Don't have it just yet, but we'll have it in the coming weeks. So thank you again, Abby, for all your work. And a quick little sneak peek. I'm not going to get into the panel in this video here, but a little sneak peek of what we have to offer in the future. Yes, we're still building our plane, it's just been busy. And then the seats laid loosely in there. So yeah, let's get to it. Hello YouTube, welcome to the inside of our house. We have a fun package here, and also another fun package here. So it's been a busy couple of months here. I haven't done too much with the build for the past 2 months with this guy here. So baby Bennett arrived happy and healthy. Mama is happy and healthy. Other parents out there can understand, but things have been very busy, non-build related busy. But exciting news. Today we received this wonderful package. You'll see it's nicely taped back up. But from Flightline Interiors. I actually opened it earlier. I didn't know I was going to get the package today. So I opened it not knowing if this is the full kit or not, and it was. So I stopped it. Amanda told me YouTube probably wants to see it. So I taped it back up with blue tape with the idea being that Wyatt would help me open it. So we'll see if he wants to help me open the box. And we'll get to unboxing our RV-10 kit from Flightline Interiors. Wyatt's going to open this box for us. Pull it out. Woo!
Cool. Wow, it's beautiful. And they're all labeled.
All labeled. This is rear seat bottom.
We have another rear seat bottom.
Really cool. So not sure how well it's going to show on camera or not, but a really like bright orange accent stitching. You see it. Nice gray color. It's going to look really nice with the interior of the rest of the tent. Low in storage space here, so we did have to get a storage unit. So the seat frames are at the storage unit, but that's the seat back. That looks just, hopefully that's in frame, but gosh, it looks awesome. All right, at our storage facility, I couldn't wait to test fit these seat covers. So I got the chairs, heading home. Amanda wasn't prepared for this, and it's currently 99 degrees in this garage. But with that said, are you excited for summer to end?
Yes.
Which are you more excited for, summer to end or the seats to be here?
Seats to be here, for sure.
Yeah.
Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. This was all me, all my choice.
It really was though. That was
It came out so nice. Orange stitching, I love all of it. And it feels good. Yay. Happy butts.
so when it comes to the seat installation, you'll see I had to go get seats from the storage unit. Like we could not just leave today and not have the seat frames here. So this one's installed, but just so you can get an idea of how they work, they come already with this Velcro on them, where it's ready to peel and stick. Same thing goes for the back seats. There's Velcro on the bottom ready to go. I was actually really curious how that works before doing these seats, and then up top. They do use the standard back seat frame here. They have buttons already sewn in on them, and then it comes with this nice little template with where each of the receiving end for the buttons will go back here. So they provide both screws of some sort, and then the option for using an LP4-3 rivet if that's what you want to use. The way it's held in there is it's held down like such, and then it looks like this is going to go over the edge here. I'll peel it and stick it, and then it'll be Velcro released. So it's that on the front side as well as on the back side. Same thing going on here. Go there and around the bottom, I think is how it should go. So anyway, that's that. And when it comes to the back portion, it's kind of cool. It has like a Kydex material inside of there. I think it's Kydex. Anyways, neat material, which will allow it to slide down nicely. And then once it is on, has a nice little flap there that covers the back portion. I do believe that's it. I will of course take off these little labels here, but these guys are ready to rock. Been looking